How to fix YouTube video not downloading problem. So if your YouTube videos are not downloading, then without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now, as an example, I will search a song for downloading. If you haven't connected to your Wi-Fi, then make sure that you've connected to a Wi-Fi. Go with the search and then search for a song or a video, whichever you're comfortable with. And then go with the download option, and here you will have the download video option, right? So you just need to simply go with the download video, then you will get these options, right? So you can simply choose the download quality and tap on download. Once you tap on download, now while downloading, if your video is not downloading, then what you need to do is you just need to click on your profile option. Tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right, and then you just need to scroll down, and then you can go with the downloads option. Here you can see all of your download videos, right? Which you have tried to download it, but videos are not downloading. And if you click on the download icon of a video, then it may say this video has not been downloaded yet. Or if you try to download another video, then it will again ask you the same kind of interface where what you want, the media quality and everything. So what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go with the settings option. Now here, if your phone storage is full, then you just need to simply turn on the use SD card option if you have that option. If you don't have that use SD card option, then you just need to simply go with delete all downloads, and you need to delete all of your downloads, and you need to download the video that you want right now. And you just need to simply turn on the option which is download over Wi-Fi only, and make sure that you've downloaded that video. Now if you go back and if you see that, then your video will be downloaded. So that's how you can fix your YouTube video not downloading problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.